Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the characteristics of stochastic oscillator indicator on a price action chart. In this section and next two lectures, you will learn about the leading indicator on a price action chart. And from this lecture on, you will learn a strong leading indicator, that is the divergence. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the basic characteristics of trading divergence on a price action chart. So let's start. When the price moves in the opposite direction to a technical indicator, divergence is one of the strongest reversal signal you can get. But do keep in mind, this is a reversal trading strategy whereby you are finding the current trend. Whether the change in direction in a simple retracement or pullback or the sign of more significant trend reversal usually depends on the time frame. The main concept of a divergence that a divergence signal about the trend continuation or reversal in advance, allowing you to use this information in your trading decisions. If the price making higher high, RSI indicator and other indicator also make higher high. And if the price making lower low, then the RSI and other indicator also make lower low. But divergence are make opposite trend for comparing other indicator. That means if the price lower low, then using divergence indicator it making price higher high. Then we say it's a regular divergence and trend reversal signal. There is two types of divergence are found on a price action chart: bullish divergence and bearish divergence. So what is bullish divergence? Bullish divergence are used to trade in the change in direction from downwards move to an upward move. When price is moving lower low, at the same time, a technical indicator is making a higher high, and hence the indicator is not following the price down, suggesting the move lower is losing momentum, resulting in a possible to move higher. What is bearish divergence? Bearish divergence are used to trade in the change in direction from an upward move to a downward move. When price is moving higher high, at the same time, a technical indicator is making a lower low. And hence the indicator is not following the price up, suggesting the move higher is losing momentum, resulting is possible move lower. This is a bearish divergence signal. You will notice that price made a higher high, but the indicator made a lower low. The indicator generates buy and sell signal depending on the divergence identification. You have a choose to select different indicator of divergence. Some traders prefer to base their trading decision on stochastic divergence and RSI divergence signal. But divergence are also the strong indicator for buy-sell in a trading on a price action chart. So you can use this indicator for finding great signal and current market trend. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.